Hi, do you know that 90% of all markets are operated by smart money? Learn to think like smart money. Use volume spread analysis. Invest or trade by following the smart money. iVSAchart analytics will 1. Identify exactly when to buy, when to sell, and what to buy and avoid. 2. Maximize profits and minimize risks. And 3. Give trading or investing edge you need now. Try it now. Free trial available.
Welcome to a Friday iVSAchart Clinic dating 16th of January 2015. As usual, I always start with did you all make money last week or month or 2 weeks? We have a little short rally on the small cap stock, but more of that in our Friday premium closing bell, especially for our premium members, as premium members get privileges. So we'll talk about the updates and some of the stock pick that we have done. So for our premium members, make sure you get the webinar login ID, and we will start at 4:15, and we'll prepare something interesting with me today. Today, Bill is not with me here today because Bill notebook still hasn't been restored. He could not access his notebook, therefore he could not join us in this webinar. He just called me and he apologized for that, and hopefully next week, if he can get his notebook up, he will join and probably give you an update about the market, what's happening in US with the gold prices, and also the Asian stock market are falling on the Swiss currency shock. So that's what's actually happening to our market, and also on the crude oil too. But I will give you my version of it this Friday closing bell at 4:50. So make sure you tune in as a premium member. Okay. Now, what do we have in front of here? Do you know? Can you guess what is this below? Anybody? Okay. Anybody? Can you guess what is this in the middle of the image? Can you guess what is this? Xiaomi. Yes, yes. Anybody else? Come on. I want everybody to type Xiaomi, please, because I'll be giving out a Xiaomi phone very soon. Okay, who wants a Xiaomi? I'll be giving you a Xiaomi phone. If you don't type Xiaomi, you're not getting a phone. Okay. Okay. Who wants a Xiaomi phone? Type. Okay. Who wants a Xiaomi phone? I'll be giving up a Xiaomi phone very soon. Please type. Well, you people must really drag you all to get you all to type, man. Come on, Xiaomi, not enough. Okay, I got how to spell. Hey, Andrew. Okay. Must bribe you all people. No joke, man. Yeah. Okay. Who wants a Xiaomi? Type. Okay. Come on, not enough. I got a lot of people in there. A lot of people are not typing. Okay. Type me a Xiaomi phone. Okay. But if you want to do a Xiaomi phone, you have to work for it. That's the condition. Okay. Okay. You have to work for it. Okay. You have to work for it, okay? If you all want a Xiaomi phone, you have to work for it. Very easy. I bought a Xiaomi phone the other day, and it was really, really good. It's as good as my Samsung Note 4. My friend has a iPhone 6. I tell you what, the Xiaomi is a really good phone. No wonder they're doing so well. Would you all agree? Okay? Do you all agree? No free lunch in here. Okay. This got to do a bit with my Facebook price and volume for KLSC. How many of you are already in Facebook? Okay, how many of you are not in Facebook? If you are not in the Facebook price and volume for KLSC, which is the URL there, I'll send to you. Type no. How many of you are not in there? Because if you want to be, okay, how many of you are not? Okay, if you are not, tell me. Okay, if you are not, tell me. Because, okay, if you are not, please tell me. Okay, because if you want to be in the iPhone, if you want to get that Xiaomi, you need to get into the iPhone. Okay, too busy. Okay, you don't have to be, you can always log in. Now I'll just tell you a bit about this, how you can get the Xiaomi iPhone. Okay, you all want a Xiaomi iPhone? You want me to continue? Yes or no? Just type yes or no. Okay, so that has to do with all right, good. All right. Okay, finally I get you people to answer. Now after we're doing with all the Xiaomi thing, then we'll look at some stocks, because Bill is not here today. So normally he does the outlook, so he's not doing the outlook. Let's have a bit of fun today. Okay, now this is a catch. You want to hear the catch? You want to hear the catch? Give me a yes. Come on, give me a yes. Okay, good. Give me a catch. All right, good. Now this is what's happening now. All right, here we go. All right, now you can see this on the screen. It's coming up to you. Right, okay. It's the Ang Pao stock market contest for 2015. Okay, iVSA stock contest. We're doing a stock contest in here. So very simple. The winner will get the Xiaomi phone. You all like that or not? You all like that or not? Okay. There are prizes. Okay, the Xiaomi phone will be worth at least 500 ringgit. Okay, the Xiaomi phone will worth at least 500 ringgit. Is that okay or not? Now, spend a minute, just go through it here, and I will tell you the instruction how we go around. Okay, so there are prizes to be won, cash prizes. Okay, now this is the next cash prizes. There are 3 prizes. First is the Xiaomi phone, and second is the Ang Pao money. Yes, the Ang Pao money. 300 ringgit and 200 ringgit. Y'all like it or not? Want to win some money for Chinese New Year Ang Pao? Yes or no? You win the Chinese New Year Ang Pao, yes or no? Now I get your cracking, right? Need more, need more. Okay, yes. $300 we start first. You want to get some more Ang Pao? Anybody? Want to get some more Ang Pao? Yes, good. This is what I tell you need to do. And I tell you, after you do this, when this thing is, the contest is all over, you will get more Ang Pao every day, every week. I think I can make more with iVSAchart. Andrew. Yeah. Okay, this is the thanks a lot. Thanks for the can I use that as a Andrew? I like to use that as a testimonial, right? I think I can make more than 500 ringgit using iVSAchart. Okay, this is the deal, people. Okay, this is the deal. Okay. Boleh. Okay, here we invite all traders to participate in our iVSAchart stock contest. Each participant can submit 5 stocks that they choose, screenshot, okay, between today to the 19th of February. So you have something like about a month. Okay, last submission is 12th of midnight. So what you need to do is you pick a stock that you like, but you must tag it with this. Okay, you must tag it with this so we can track all the stock pick. So you pick a stock, you do a screenshot. Okay, you use a phone to do a screenshot, or you can use the screen print of your computer, and then you attach it into the Facebook group. Okay, you attach it in the Facebook group because that's where you'll be doing the submission. So if you think Maybank will do well, if you think AirAsia will do well, right now you take a picture of that and you submit. Now there's a catch. Each participant, because in Facebook user, I know who you are. I know some of you are quite smart. They will probably send me 100 stocks. I don't have time for that, and I know you don't have time for that. But I want you to submit only 5 stocks, because each of us has limited amount of time and limited amount of money. So consider very carefully these 5 stocks that you're going to submit. Now, when to submit, very simple. If you are already an iVSAchart Pro user, just screen print and submit the stocks. Now, how you can pick this stock? You can use the iVS stock screener to pick, like what and we did a session on how to pick stocks, right? You submit through this group, so make sure you join it. Now the winner will be based on the highest accumulated gain. Okay, so what we did is very simple. You take a picture today, let's say you buy Maybank at 890, and then on the today is 16, you can submit also Maybank on the 20 or whatever, but again that is still only 5 stock submission. Okay, 5 stock image submission. Okay, 5 stock image submission. So submit 5, like easier for us to do all this, right? And then let's say you submit on the 16th, right, which is today, and then on the 19th we'll take the closing price. Let's say today is 890 for Maybank. Okay, are you with me so far? Please type yes, are you with me so far? So I know you're with me so far. If you're not, just type no. Just type yes. Okay, so you're with me so far, just type yes. Okay, it pays to get a phone to be and join the iVSAchart face group. Okay, good. So remember, so what we do, we take, let's say on the 16th you submit Maybank, and then 19th you submit Maybank, right? We will take the so-called the last submission that you have. In this case will be let's say 890. All right. So on the 19th of February, exactly on the 19th of February, whatever the price is, we take the difference. and that will be your price gain. And whoever has the highest price gain gets it. Okay, I don't care whether you use a warrant stock, penny stock, or whatever stock. That doesn't, but it has to be on KLSC, because we want to demonstrate to you how using iVSA stock picker can make you money. Okay, so there will be 3 prize winner. First prize, Xiaomi phone worth at least 500 ringgit, we promise you. Second prize is cash amount, we'll give you cash, no check, no nothing, no stock unit trust, 300 ringgit. And third prize is 200 ringgit. Okay, so you all know how to enter the contest. But in order to do the image submission, you need to get a Facebook account, because we want to see how you pick the stock and stock name. And make sure, ladies and gentlemen, are you with me? You have to tag it. You must tag this. Okay, it's very important that you tag it, so at least I can keep track of it, and then also you can Google on the Facebook or on Google it, and you can pick all the stocks, why they pick it at that, and make sure you put a reason why you tag it. Put a reason and the stock name. 140 characters. You with me so far? Okay, so these are the steps. Okay, and if you don't know anything, whatever it is, send admin support at support.traderstruthreview.com a video. Next week we are doing a video on how, let me just highlight this again, how to select stocks using the iVSA Pro Screener for the contest. It will be available next week, so I need to do up the video and put it out there. Meanwhile, I'm sure some of you got some insider or whatever. No, if you know that, select the stock now, submit it in, and let's see on the 19th of February how it did. Now this is an idea came from the Wall of Fame. Now you remember the Wall of Fame? Those of you who came last week. Partly, let me show you my Wall of Fame here, if I have it here. Now Wall of Fame is very simple here. Alright, basically we pick a lot of real winner here. I want to show you one winner that came out, which is this one here. Okay, this is the one that came, slideshow. Okay, now this is the Wall of Fame. Basically what we're trying to do is to show you that you, as an iVSAchart user, can also make the same money. Now you notice this was sort of picked up on the July 2nd, and this was here. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Just type me if you can see the screen. Alright, now this iFCA made a 368% return. How many of you like to make a 368% return? Because how many like to make a 368% return for one stock? Come on, tell me, people. Yes or no? Come on. Yes. That's the one. Okay. So what we want to do is to post. Imagine that day on the 16, 19, or 17, you post this small insert here. Let me just highlight this again. Okay. This small in here, right? And then let's say on the 19th of February, somewhere around here, assuming this is not chart, we will see the difference, and then we'll calculate. Now why? Because if you can pick a stock that make better than the iFCA MSC, don't you think you already have something good? That even you can do it. So the contest is to prove that you can do it, and you must post it on the Facebook to show that you cannot tipu. A lot of people like to tipu one, no? Correct or not? Huh? They say they buy, but actually where got? Haha. So we want you to do it. You all like the contest or not? Type yes, contest, if you like the contest. Do you all like the contest? Let's have a bit of fun. During Chinese New Year, and make some money and also learn. Yes, contest please. Okay, because at the same time, if you log into the Facebook and you track why the person picked the stock, because remember there will be maybe 20, 30 people stock, there will be winner and losers. So we want to study why people pick certain stock and why they lose or why they win. And this is where we can share in Facebook. Correct? Because a lot of time we don't know why people pick a certain stock. But for the contest, now this is just a contest. You can do whatever you want to. You can pick one share which is 3 cents. If you go up to 5 cents, you can also make money. I don't care, okay? But I just want to show to you that iVSAchart can help you to make money. Okay? You all like the contest? What's your feedback so far? Okay? If you want to win the phone, you got to show me that you can pick stocks. Okay? You got to show me you can pick stocks. Else, you'll be just sitting on the same stock that you had 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and waiting for it to come up. So people, the message is very simple. If you can pick stock as well, ditch the old one. Now remember, remember, okay, you can only win if you get rid of the old one, because your money is stuck there. Okay, you can only win if you get rid of the old one. All right, so that is one of the stocks that I talk about. My goal is very simple. I want you able to pick IFCA as your own stock pick and run this over a period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you cut loss at 70 cents, whatever the case is, and make that 360% return. And if you've done that, I'm proud. I've done my job and I rest my case, because I want you to benefit, ladies and gentlemen, from using iVSAchart. Okay, that is my message to you. So do the contest and win the Xiaomi. All right, I want my Xiaomi to be won, please. My Xiaomi to be won. And here are the steps again. First, those of you who have not created the login ID, please do so. Step 1. Okay, let's do it. Step 1. Go to this URL and create a login ID. Can you do that? Okay, I'll text you so you can do that. All right, we can also belajar from others. Okay, this is the registration. Okay, open up an account with iVSAchart registration here. Make sure you choose the pro version. Second step, okay, choose the stock that you have. If you have this special insider information or whatever, I don't care. You think Maybank can do well, you think A&M can do well, you think Ocean Cash can do well, you think Intergrass can do well, paste it in. Okay, paste it in. Now newbie, if you're new, you don't know how to stock pick, you can use the iVSA stock scroll printer, which I'll show you shortly, to pick them up. Step 3. Are you with me on step 3? Just type yes. Okay, so step 3, you log into your Facebook. Okay, log into your Facebook. Only Andrew is ready, right? Okay, log into your Facebook like I have here. Let me just show you my Facebook. Okay, and you type price and volume KLS. Can you see price and volume here? Okay, can you see price and volume here, gentlemen, lady, here? Can you see this? Okay, and then you just click this one here, close member. Okay, price and volume, close member. Right, and there you go. So this is the that was a here is it, because I want to prove you that you can pick stock as well. Now if you look at this here, there were many postings that I kind of share with you guys to promote the IVA. So just post it here and you type hash iVSA chart stock contest. Okay, and then you do the rest. Okay, then you just let's say you just screenshot whatever the case is. You screenshot. I pick one up just to show you how I doing it. I go over to my my charts. Okay, okay, I just post this one here, upload it. You can see this stock up, right? Okay, Westport. Okay, you just put Westport, and then you put why I like it, because good fundamentals, good management, something like that. Okay, and then you click post. Okay, there you go. So I would know that this is a test. Okay, so this is a test. Okay, done. So I click on that one. So that's a test. So when you go into price and volume smart group, now remember, the admin here, myself plus Zach, will approve you joining, because we want this to be a closed group. We want this to be a closed group. We don't want people to come and kacau. Understand? You're with me so far? Yes or no? Okay. So then I would know this is iVSAchart stock group. Okay. And you don't have to put your name, because I will see your name in here. Now remember, you can only submit 5 stocks. Okay. You can only submit 5 stocks. Are you with me so far? Are you with me so far? Okay. Only Andrew. How about the rest? Now now everybody gone down already. Enthusiasm down already. Okay. Enthusiasm gone down already. Okay. If you need any help, text to or email to support@traderstruth.com. Okay, so we done that one. So you log into Facebook, alright, and then we just did that. Once approved for me, you can post a Facebook iVSA's chart, stock contest, stock name, and reason. Alright, this was what we did, and you can see on Facebook we just did this. Okay, so then because this one will have your date, you see, you will have a date here, so you don't worry, we all know what date is it. If you go back down, you can see this one was 16 hours ago. A lot of things are, no, sometimes I see things are. Then you got another one here, 13th of January, and there's a time there. I can know what time when you post it. So now on the 19th, let's go back on the 19th. So on the 19th, we will decide who is the winner. We will announce the winner later on, and then we'll do some sort of a small workshop, and we invite the winners. Now, if the winners are outstation, they can't come, we do a webinar, and we invite them to speak. Because if you can't come, that's one of the terms and conditions. You need to come and tell the group how you select the stocks. If you're lucky, then you're lucky. All right, how you make that gain. Okay, so again, we look at price gain for that matter, and that's the story, I suppose. Okay, the video training will be out. Okay, how I can share on my own wall? No, you need to post it on the Facebook group. Now, to legitimate, you must post it on your group, price and volume group, so people can also see it. Now, like currently I have about 241 members. I want you to post it in here so other members can see. If you post it in your own wallpaper, only you and your friend can see it. But the people in this group, the 241 people, cannot see it, because we want this to be sharing. Do I say this makes sense? So you all can share among your group. Do I say this makes sense? Is it easy to do? Okay, the prize money, Xiaomi, worth at least 500 ringgit as a first prize. Second prize, 300 ringgit, and the third prize, 200 ringgit, is waiting for you. Okay, and we will know the result, and that is the ang pao. So what do you all think? Are you all ready for that? All right. So I want to see some posting in there. Okay, so this is the first post that I had, right? Because in the iVSAchart we can also see the date. Now, if I bring this up here, you can see, right? You cannot tipu one. Once you post it up, you cannot change the chart. Like this was on 1st of December. Yeah, 1st of December iVSAchart. So you can see. So because we're starting on 16th of January, so we will count from 16th of January. You cannot post old chart here. Are you ready to win the Xiaomi? Just type yes, please. Also Andrew ni. How about the rest? Carol, are you ready? Tian, are you ready? So, do you have to buy the stock? No, you don't have to buy the stock. Why do you have to buy the stock? You just post it here ni. Why do you have to buy the stock? Yes, paper trade. Because I want to show you, Carol, if you can choose a stock and post it in here, in 1 month time, if you have a Chinese New Year rally, remember, aka Chinese New Year rally that I'm talking about, would you make money, Carol? Yes, that's right. Try out first. See what people are doing, just like what we teach you in our Master the Market. Yes. When you do with Facebook, are you doing with real money, people? My point is very simple. If you can paper trade with iVSAchart and make money, okay, then it is not the system problem. It is a personal issue, because you cannot place a trade. You cannot do a trade. And there are many reasons why you can't do a trade. So it is a personal issue as not a system problem. Because I want to show you that you can make money. You just need to deal with the issue, how to place the trade and how to manage the trade. Do you understand what I'm coming from? Because I can show you, you can make money. Like I just showed you IFCA, that entry came, and that is a 368% return. You want to make more money? Deal with the system first. The system already handled by you. Okay? How about the rest? David, what do you think? David, by the way, you make 1.7 million on the stock market game. How do you do it? 1.7 million on stock market game. Can share a bit with the group. Because a few of the members also asking, no. Stock market game 1.7 million. Oh, you buy Warren. Okay. You see, there's a secret there. You can buy Warren. So David already shared how he can buy warrant, making 1,700% with warrant. Which warrant, David? Okay, which warrant is that, David? Can share with the group. Quite a few. All right, good, David. That's the way you do it. You see, you can make money doing a warrant too. All right. Quite a few too. All right. So you can also show you that we can make money with the warrant, right? And also with stocks. All right. So now let's look at the other stocks first. Okay. Let's look at the other stocks that we have here, right? And for today. Okay, let's look at the other warrant for stock today. Now, having said that, let's look at the what we have for the stocks. Okay, first one, OKA. Let's look at iVSAchart for OKA. I will lock it. So, are you okay on the iVSAchart? How many of you will try it out and play with it? How many of you will try it out and play with it? Right? And learn. Most important, I want you all to learn, because I find that it's always best to learn among ourselves. Yeah, learn among yourself. Post it up in there. Tell your friends. Okay, ask your friend to join too. Dennis, Tian, Carol, Andrew. If you have friends, get them to come and play. David, also get them to come and play too. Yup. Ali, just come and play. Linda, ask your Sramban friend to come and play. I'm sure you have a few more which is more involved in the game. Okay, play the game on Facebook and learn to use it and have a bit of fun and make money. Huh? Okay. So let's log on to iVSAchart and we'll look at the login first. Okay, login here and iVSAchart in here. This is what I talk about. If you don't know how to use the iVSA screener, we will go through each and one of them. Test, 18-day line change, and Tawa Pro. Okay, so that's how we will choose those stocks. Okay, these are the few. David, you are a good candidate of winning because you make 1.7 million on that one from 50,000. So that's fantastic. That's what I want to share with you. Some of these small time traders can make that kind of money. Okay, so let's look at iVSAchart here. Now the iVSAchart we have is OKA. Okay, here is first one is OKA, OKA, OKA Corporation. OKA, this one we buy it not, Peter. This was my stock pick. Buy it not this one? Not yet or just ask us only. OKA, did I? Carex, 19 December, Data Sonic. Oh, this was 26. Buy it not? Not yet Okay, let's take a look if you bought it not. I only trade real. That's right. I don't know how to play the game in Facebook. Oh, it's okay lah. If you're not in Facebook, don't play, then it's for fun. The reason why we want to show you is participate in the Facebook and join and have a bit of fun. Okay? And understand why people pick the stocks. Because if you're not in Facebook, then you miss a big part of learning from other people. Okay, that's what the whole lesson is. You learn from other people. So this is also to encourage you, to motivate you, to get you into Facebook and join the group. So you play on the Facebook, you see how people trade and make some money. Make some money from trading real, of course. Yeah, you can use the iVSAchart, right? Because we're talking about subscribing lifetime here, right? Next, then also learn about Facebook, how it can help you cooking, things like that, and meet some new friends inside here, right? Remember, the Facebook group that we have are a closed group. I repeat, it is a closed book. We have to approve who comes in. So we don't approve robots. There's a lot of robots in Facebook, so we won't approve that. All right, people. So just know that for a start. Okay, just know that for a start. Those we don't simply approve people to coming in. Okay, and it's a group that we all can enjoy and perhaps make money together. Because Carol asked me to make money together. Right now, Carol, let's make money together. Okay. All right. So let's go on to OKA. Now, OKA, going back to my notes here. Where did I put my notes of the stocks? OKA was picked last week. Buy it not, Peter? Because I pick stock every week, no. OKA was my stock pick last week. Okay? So last week was the 9th of January, which is, what day is it? 8, 9, 10. See, went up already what? Went up to 13. That day went up how much? That day went up 6.94%. Okay? So that's what I mean, because Peter, I want you to play and participate in the stock market game, so you can see how well you fare. Okay, so Oka looks good, no strength, no weaknesses. Okay, so there's a bit of resistance in here. Let the profit run, very simple, this one here. Next one we have is the seacera. Let's look at seacera now. Okay, seacera doesn't look like it's anything, but there is no buy signal in here. I just took profit. Okay, good. Can take some more lah, let the profit run a bit lah. Cash income method, remember, Linda? That's why I want to show you, when you play the game on the iVSAChart stock game, I want you to pick one with a 100% winner. If you can do that, I tell you, this market is yours for the taking. I mean, on the game, I think David showed that he made 1.7 million. Log into the iVSAChart stock market game that we have on our website, Traders Truth there. So why I'm doing all this? Because I want you to really benefit. Now on seacera in here, nothing much. It looks like it's still there. Put on the ATR stop loss. Alright. Looks like you're pretty much going to be out here. So if you go below the ATR stop loss, just exit. Pretty straightforward thing. Nothing much to do. Okay, next one that we have is Vitrox. Vitrox is nice. I think Vitrox came out also on the iVSA filter too. Vitrox. Okay, so Vitrox, nice, beautiful line change. It doesn't get better than this. The question is, can buy or not? Audio loss. Oh, sorry. Okay, 12%. Not too bad, Linda. Good. 12%. But do you know, normally you can make more, isn't it? The iVSA Wall of Fame. We teach you, take more. Let the profit run. Cut your losses. You know. Okay. Must change. We all know. Take more profits. Why take 12%? Stick to old mind frame. With the iVSAchart, you can take more. If you take more, then you can subscribe to iVSAchart ma. Correct not? Right. Okay, let's look at the next stocks that we have here. Is the BCB. What stock is that? BCB. Bandaraya. Oh, BCB. Let's look at BCB. BCB, nothing much lah. I mean, you got all this jumping here, jumping there. Look at the volume. Nothing much, people. So this one not so nice lah. Okay. Good. Thank you, Linda. Okay. Make money. Subscribe to iVSA. Okay. Next one that we have here is Willowgen. Okay. This is from, I think, Yup. That's right, Willowgen. It's something I recommended some time back on a fundamental one. This is a fundamental stock. You see, nice, 24% in there. Again, we talked about on last Friday whether it's investing or trading. Alright, so Yup, who is listening now? Yup, are you listening now? Type yes if you're listening now. Now, if you are really investing this one in here, there's no reason why you should cut loss. But if you're trading, you should. I mean, earlier on, when the market break down here, you should cut. But here is an entry time. Okay, entry time to go trade. Okay, trading this. Okay, so if you're trading this is a nice entry. Take profit around 88 cents. If you are investing, keep this a longer term. It does pay a 2.74% return for your dividend yield. So make sure you differentiate there. Yup, you came to our course before, right? Yup. Okay, you came to our course before, isn't it? I remember. Okay, so that's the whole point. Yep. Okay, yep. Okay. You're Gilbert, right? Gilbert Yep, right? Are you Gilbert Yep? Okay, let's look at the next one. GHL. Okay. GHL system here. Okay. GHL system. Let's look at. Oh, nice one too. You got uptrust. Now remember, all uptrust need to be confirmed. Like this one here, you see this uptrust here? Can you see this uptrust? When it broke down, subsequently break down. Okay, so all trades need to be confirmed. This one, you see that it didn't confirm, it didn't break down yet. Right? That was yesterday. Well, let's look at it today. Did it break down GSH? Okay, let's look at the real-time chart. Right? Real-time chart for GHL Sys. Look at this. Not yet breakdown, isn't it? Although you have uptrust, right? Market still holding up. Can you see this chart in here? What does it tell you? Very simple. A line changes down here. Bullish trend in here. So simple to use, ladies and gentlemen. iVSAchart. Okay, next one. Opensys. Our last one, Opensys. Okay. Opensys. Okay, Opensys not too bad, just broke through here. Not as good, but this one's still okay. Akan datang, I like this chart too, because you know like, all the technology stock I think now all doing well, like MPI, OKA, Unisem, all the technology stock, because our ringgit is depreciating, there is a buy to push it. That's what if you notice today, the large cap stock. Today you look at it, large cap stock are selling down, which is recover already, man, my friend. I tell you, Chinese New Year rally coming already. As I go on, but don't wait until Chinese New Year lah. Correct, no? Right? Chinese New Year rally now start ma. You buy now ma. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing the iVSA stock contest, because I want to prove to you, if you play those games and post it up in Facebook at the end of the 19th of February, right? And then subsequently we do all the so-called paperwork to judge who is it. You will see, you will make money in this Chinese rally. That's my point. And I will use Xiaomi as an incentive to get you guys to play the game. Okay, stock game, have some fun, make some money. Okay, that's my motto here. How's that? Okay, so we've done all the 6 stocks in here, GHL System, Opensys. So any other stocks you want me to look at? Today I overextended, I apologize for that one. Normally I don't, but I'm very excited about the iVSAchart. Okay, Martin, there are some people not in the webinar, ask whether they want to find out about the competition. Okay. There are some people, we will blast it out. Those people are not the webinar today. I think the whole databases should play around with it, because we want to learn more. Because sometimes people you know, my experience is last Wednesday, our session workshop Carol we do. A lot of people tend to be very private about their stocks. You know, they're holding on, right? I don't want you to hold on to losers. You know, I want you to start new. Okay, I want you to start new. And very important, I want to finish off with this quote if I can get it, right? Right, which is I wrote it today somewhere this morning. I got this inspiration to write something good. Let me just share with you first. Okay. Lot of text messages. Just bear with me for a moment while I search for what I wrote this morning. I got just inspiration to write this. Okay, you know, most people, most of us, including myself, people cannot see their future. If you cannot see your future, you won't let go of your past. Right, let me just repeat that again. Most of us, sometimes if you can't see your future where you're going it, you will not let go of your past. But if you can see your future where you're going to, whether it is, you know, a better career, a better relationship, a better life, or whatever the case is, right, you will let go of the past. You will move on. But because we cannot see it, we are so blinded with all the, you know, personal day-to-day kind of thing, a lot of different, we could not move on. And if you cannot move on, you're stuck in the same rut. It happened to me a few years ago, but now I've sort of moved on. I have a better relationship with my wife and my children, also in terms of, you know, bringing this thing up to you guys, and want you to improve. So the point is, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to be able to see your future, because if you can't see your future, you will never let go of your past. And if the past you can tolerate, it's not painful enough, you'll always hold on to it. With that, I end my iVSAchart Friday chart clinic. Hope you think about what I just said. Bye bye.